Hey guys, in today's video we are going to do a little bit of a reset of this room, and then I'm going to show you an update of where I am with my bedroom makeover. Remember that I have been doing a whole house makeover slowly by slowly. I had some clips of where I started. Maybe when I am done I'll show the whole house before and after, but in today's video we are just going to clean this place up, and then I'm going to show you the update of where I am with my bedroom. So as it is right now, I have done not a lot, but I have done quite something with my bedroom. Remember that I had taken out everything and started from scratch. So let's do this this cleanup first. In case you are wondering, those pieces that I am left with are the ones that I get after I have done curtains and resized them to reflect on the size of the windows of my clients. And then these leftovers, I don't throw them away because I use them to make inner covers of pillows when I am making pillows for my clients. So at this point now, you know that I make pillows, and I also make cushions, and I also make a lot of other stuff actually that is on my channel. A good number of them I don't make them for myself, but I make them for others. So stay tuned to this video, and I hope that you'll enjoy this small reset, and then we'll go to the bedroom when we finish with this space here. Thank you, and God bless you so much for clicking on this video and for always coming back to support your girl.
I've been flipping pages since I could remember. That told me I had to be within the lines of 2 degrees and 9 to 5. And I've been working after work since last September. Working after work, yeah. I stay up late on the weekdays. I never tell when we say. I never wanna look back and wish I could have been. I'm never gonna regret the hours I've been putting in. So take a chance on faith. Your mind's a boundless place. So take a chance, a chance on faith. So take a chance on faith. So take a chance. I never wanna look back. Take a chance on faith. Take a chance on faith.
So a little review of this Moko bed. I have had it for a little over a month, and I must admit that it is stable and I really love it. So if you are considering to buy a bed and you are not a fan of the padded beds, then this is a good and cheaper option, because these went for something like 9,900 around there. Yeah, it was less than 10k, and it's a 4x6. So now my bedroom, ever since I came to this house, I had never repainted it, and the only time it was repainted, that wall that you see, the orange-ish color, it was leaking. So that thing, or that paint that they have applied, is waterproof, and it has a rough feel. So I always wanted to change it, but I really wasn't in a position to do so. But thank God right now I can, and the little green patch you see was me trying to just test it out and see how the paint will look like. So I'm going to remove everything from the walls and from the floor so that I'm able to paint it. So originally the color I wanted to paint was green and ash. But once I painted the green on the wall, it really looked, it didn't look that aesthetically pleasing to me, like sikuipenda sana, and so I opted to paint on it another color that you will see. Just stick around and you'll see it at the end. So this this green, it's called mallard. I didn't really like it on the wall, but it is great on the doors and on the window panes. So I'm gonna clean the windows, and I'm going to I did by the time I realized that the color was not giving, I had actually painted it for a while, like half the wall was painted, but I painted another color over it, and the contrast of the two colors, it really came out nicely. So you see, at this point I had painted part of the wall, but now I painted another color over it, and the contrast was really nicely, it came out really nicely done, and I'll show you the update once I am done. But right now we are going to work on this window. So I had started to paint, and then I noticed sikuwa nimeclean the dust vizuri, so I stopped painting, and then I cleaned out the dust, and then I painted these window panes. Hizi vitu zilikuwa zimerust. It had been a really long time, ever, like it has never been painted ever since I came to this house, and that is many years ago. Maybe I need to move. Pia hapa nimekuwa comfortable sana. So yeah, let's do this together. Just a little bit of paint really makes a lot of difference, and I hope that you enjoy this part of the video.
What does it mean to be happy? Cause it looks like we all don't know. Glass half full or empty. Man, we just putting on the show. Try to look to the heavens to tell us things that we beg to know. Like, what did this all mean? There's no tomorrow. Oh, you know, I try to find a purpose in my life to drive me, to guide me. Oh, doctor, I feel dead inside. To drive me, to guide me. Oh, doctor, I feel dead inside. Try to look to the heavens to tell us things that we beg to know. Like, what did this all mean? There's no tomorrow. Oh, you know, I try to find a purpose in my life to drive me, to guide me. Oh, doctor, I feel dead inside.
So finally, this is the color that I have. I opted to go with the same color scheme as the living room. So I ended up with ash and what is this other color? I have forgotten its name, but it's a lighter shade of gray and a darker shade of gray. And this is how it looks. I also did a little upgrade on my bed. So I got new pillowcase covers. All the pillows on my bed are custom made by me. So I get to choose the size. So it means that I did sew all the covers. And also I found this little bed cover in Gikomba at a very affordable price. So the next project for this bedroom is to get a nicer curtains or shears and upgrade from this one. I also need a cabinet that I can keep my shoes and my handbags and maybe do a little upgrade. So this was the final color outcome, and that shade of green and gray really looks nice. The camera is not doing a lot of justice to it, and as you can see in front of my bed, nimeweka tu vitu kwa box. I still need something to go there. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video, and this is where we are with these bedrooms. The walls are bare, but we will get there. God bless you so much. If you are a returning subscriber, alafu kwa wageni, please consider to subscribe, and bye.